Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by identifying your Intel GPU and preserving a restore point. This prevents data loss if something changes. Open Device Manager, expand display adapters, and note the model and current driver version so you can verify updates later. Once done, close heavy applications and temporarily disable antivirus if it blocks installers. This speeds the update. Now launch Intel Driver and Support Assistant or the official driver package. Choose the installer matching your model and Windows version to avoid mismatches. You run the downloaded installer and let it scan or select your specific package. If available, pick Custom Install when you want to preserve settings, or choose Clean Install to remove legacy files and prevent conflicts. Watch the progress. Many errors come from interrupted installs, so keep the PC on and connected. After installation finishes, the setup will prompt for a restart. Accept it. Restarting finalizes driver files and firmware hooks, ensuring the GPU uses the new driver properly. You verify success by reopening Device Manager and the Intel Graphics Command Center to confirm the updated driver version and that displays are recognized correctly. If problems appear, artifacts, crashes, or no output, use Device Manager to roll back driver or boot to safe mode and apply your restore point. This reverts to the previous working state. As a final step, run a short benchmark or an app you use. This confirms performance and stability and shows whether further tweaks are needed.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.